I'm Smithy. The van's a Contiki. Look at that view. Look at that sea over there.
No.
It's the capsizing. Devil's Bridge. No person shall jump off this bridge. Well, I've done.
I did when I was young.
Yeah.
Well, I used to come down jumping.
One of the finest medieval bridges still in existence in the north of England. A Grade 1 listed scheduled ancient monument spanning the River Lune. Probably built sometime in the 14th or 15th century by the monks of St Mary's Abbey in York. Come on then. '14th or 15th century. What a view. Hey? Huh. A few people swimming there.
Aye.
A few swimming. It's not deep either, what you can see at the bottom. I wonder if it'd be good for magnet fishing down there soon. You're twisting me up, Benji. I don't think my magnet fishing rope's long enough to go down there. Who there?
Yeah.
Needs to stop traffic going over, innit? Yeah, we'll go through this gate here, and that takes you to the village. When it's windy on course, then it's all nice warm wind here, isn't it? Come on then, go through here. I think the last time we came through here they started panicking because they heard the gate. Yeah, look. That's what I did last time, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Come on. Come on, you're alright. Sorry about that, Benji. Yeah, I think he panicked last time with that gate, didn't he? What's this, sir? The Vault Trail. Some type of a book. I bet you could drink that water.
No, I wouldn't.
Say hello.
Hi. People are feeding it. And swimming.
No, that's right, yeah. Come on, Benji, we're going to Kirby Lonsdale. We've parked up at Devil's Bridge for a couple of nights. What's that they've been building there? Alright, maybe to stop you walking down it or something. Are they playing cricket? You don't get more English than that, do you? A cricket field. Village cricket field. Come on, George. It's a crane, so. A crane looking for fish.
It's a weird looking bird.
I know, they're a big bird as well. They invade people's garden ponds, you know. People buy them as plastic ones because if they see one there, they won't go and land next to it to feed. They're going to fly off. What a place, huh? I'll extend you and you can see what I'm seeing. It's like the Canadian Rockies, this river. Have a look. Hang on. What do you think of that? I'll get up here now. River Loon, all the way to Lancaster. He's peeing everywhere. He can't have anything left in him. I think he's pretending. What have you been buying, Susie?
Another little shop.
Why?
Not bread.
Why are you joking?
I got the book when I got round, no bread.
They probably sell out early. Hang on, I'm twisted. Oh yeah, can you get that off my wrist or not?
I got a pot noodle. Sorry, treacle. I got you then.
Oh yeah, they're alright.
You like them sticks, don't you?
Yeah, salt and vinegar.
Yeah.
Do you want to go and have a look at Graveyard? So you can...
Find a little shop.
The only other shop I know is Booth Supermarket.
What's that?
By the old police station.
Oh, we'll go there. I need some bread.
Yeah, they're still in then, Ben. I don't know what time it closes.
My butter. Yeah, I got a pot noodle.
Pot noodles? You know, I've got something nice to cook in my Ridge Monkey. I'm going to try it out. I'll have to wash it first.
I was going to get some bacon, then I thought, oh no, what happened? It didn't look fresh.
Alright. I don't be looking in these shops because we're not coming tomorrow morning.
Not anyway, fucking dear.
Dogs welcome. I don't think you're all in pubs, are you, at a minute? Come over here, Benji.
No, unless you've got an outside garden.
Let's try to walk around these posts. Look at that old church, so.
Aye.
Old church.
Yeah, we've been in that.
Kirby cottages. Do you know what they're for?
To keep the building up.
Yeah, that'll go right through to the other side.
Yeah.
And it has a rod going right through. It ties both ends together. These gates were erected in 1823 at a cost of 43, 6 and 5 3/4. Oh, so there you go. Dogs must be on a lead, so we can't let them off.
Smells of gas. Oh, I always find some bread.
Yeah, we'll have a look at that Booth Supermarket. I thought we'd just show you Ruskin's view, so... Well, I know we've seen it, but I want to put it on camera, and other people can see it. Restoration of the sundial, St Mary's Church. It's a replica. Oh, the sundial in this column is a replica made in 1994. The 18th century original is now in the church. The dial is designed to tell the local time in Kirby Lonsdale. How does that work then? What? Pick her up. Oh, it's pointing there. Well, the church has got a big clock on it, I'd just read that. It's an Easter trail. You found the 8th egg. They must have had a kid's trail for Easter eggs.
I thought it was some
Interesting.
yeah.
Here, look at all the eggs on the tree. I've been Smithy, and our first little excursion away, we just tested everything in the van really, because when you've not used it for so long, you know, you just want to make sure if you do go anywhere, everything's absolutely working as it should. Don't go too far. Anyway, I'll see you soon. From a windswept Morecambe promenade, stay safe, be lucky, and Smithy and his dogs and his Susie and his Contiki will see you shortly. See ya, bye.